UML communication diagrams are powerful tools for visualizing how objects in your system interact. Today we'll explore what they are and show you how to build your own in Lucidchart. Before we dive into the canvas, let's define our terms and see how these diagrams differ from other UML models you might already be using. What is a UML communication diagram? It's a specialized UML diagram, formerly called a collaboration diagram, that models the interactions between objects or parts in a system using sequenced messages. Communication versus sequence diagrams. What's the difference? While both show interactions, sequence diagrams focus on time order. Communication diagrams emphasize the structural relationships and links between objects. When should I use communication diagrams? Use them when you need to emphasize the architecture of the system, or visualize how specific objects are connected within a complex web. Key UML communication diagram components include objects, represented by rectangles, links, which are the lines connecting them, and messages, shown as arrows indicating the direction of communication. How do you number messages in a communication diagram? You use a decimal notation like 1, 1.1, and 1.2 to show the sequence and nesting of interactions within the system. Now that we've covered the theory, let's jump into the product. Here is your step-by-step tutorial, how to draw a communication diagram in Lucidchart. Start by enabling the UML shape library. Simply search for UML shapes in the shape library. Now drag object rectangles onto the canvas to represent your system components. Next, use the line tool to create links between objects. Add message arrows by clicking the line and selecting an arrow endpoint, then label them with your sequence numbers. Lucid allows you to invite team members to edit in real time. Use comments and @mentions to refine your system architecture and ensure your whole team is aligned. Whether you're mapping simple interactions or complex architectures, Lucid helps you see and build the future. Log into Lucidchart and start your first communication diagram today.